Good afternoon to all. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve the programming in Python week 11 assignment 11 solution of July-October 2024. Hi, I am Mananjan Shaw, the research scholar of CV Raman Global University. I have 17 plus years of experience and we are from Smart Classes India and we are helping our students to solve the assignments. Now let's start to solve the assignments. Okay, here you can see assignment number 11. Okay, and week number 11. The first question is, what is the default mode in which a file is opened in Python using the open functions? Okay, four options are given. Out of the four options, the R option is the right answer because we can see the default module is R. Okay, which opens the files for reading or for reading. Or so option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 2, which file mode is used to open a file for both reading and writing in a binary format? It will be RB plus 2 option D. Why? See, RB plus opens a file for both reading and writing in a binary format. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Moving to the question number 3, what does the file object closed attribute return? Closed attribute return. Four options are given. Out of the four options, the option C is true if the file is closed, false if it is open. Okay, see, the attribute returns a boolean indicating whether the file is closed or open. That's why option C is the right answer. True if the file is closed and false if the file is open. Okay, now moving to the question number 4. Which method is used to close a file in Python? Very easy question. It is a close options are there. So 4 option C is the right answer. See here, the close method is used to close a file. Simple, very simple. Question number 5. Which method is used to write a string to a file in Python? The option is write. Okay. Which method? The write method. See, the write method writes a string to the file. Simple. Moving to the question number 6. What is the purpose of the write line methods in the Python? What is the purpose? The purpose is basically option number B, write a list of string to a file. Write a list of string to the file. We got write line method writes a list of the string to the file. So option B is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7. Which method is used to read all the lines from a file? All the lines. Four options are given. Read line, read lines and writes. Here asking for the question is asking read all the lines, not a single line, all the lines. So it is read lines. Read lines. Yes. Okay. See, the read lines method reads all the lines from a file into a list. Moving to the question number 8. If you want to open a file for appending in binary format, which mode you can use or you will use? We can use ab.ab. See, AB opens the file for appending in binary format. Okay. So 8 option C is the right answer. Moving to the question number 9. Which file mode allows both reading and appending? Reading and appending in a text format. This is A plus. 9 option B. C, A plus. A plus opens a file for both reading and appending in a text format. 9 option B. Moving to the last question. What is the difference between the read and append methods in Python? Read and append method, the difference is here option C, write, overwrite the content and append adds the data to the existing content. Okay. Very clear cut answer. The write method overrides the content of a file while appends adds the data to the existing content without overwriting it. Okay. So guys, successfully completed all the questions. Okay. So now I'm going to submit the answer. I click on submit the answer button here. Okay. Then your answer are successfully submitted. Okay. Date and time is clearly mentioned and it is already week 11 completed. Very soon we will try to solve the quiz assignment 12th of July 2024. Till then, you just prepare yourself for your exam very well and take care of yourself. If you like this video, I hope definitely you may subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and colleagues so that the people can get knowledge about it. Okay, thank you.